ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So if you would like to enable Do Not Disturb, let's find and select Settings. So here you need to find and choose the sound, and let's tap here Do Not Disturb Preferences. As you can see here, you can enable Do Not Disturb just by using the switcher, and you can also set up the Do Not Disturb. So you can choose here the mode, you can choose alarms only, total silence or priority only. If you choose priority only, you can configure those priorities so you can handle with reminders, events, repeat callers, you can use messages, calls and other stuff. You can also go back and you can here block visual disturbance and choose some automatic rules. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.